to go up on the US work program though. Me need to find a way to build mama a house, yo. Me can't make she stay in that little mash-up place there. It hurt me, man.
What you say? That sound good, me G. When you cut?
You know me get through for a little thing up there though. And the next month them want me to start.
You know, it's a long time we are struggle. Get a youth can't struggle forever, you know. Me glad for you, brother.
You don't know. Respect, bro. Yo, what's up, plane feel? From me a little youth, me dream to take plane and go foreign. Thank you, Jaja, cause you do it. No worry yourself, mama. Your big son I go come back and build a house for you.
Bro, you're back in the place.
Yeah, me G. Me just come back for look on the house for me and build for mama. You soon gone back up, you know.
You see the house, man, it big.
Yeah, man, it's a 8-bedroom, you know.
What you say? I did so much?
Yeah, man, so how things with you? Me hear say ton big pastor in a town, big church and thing. What you say?
Yeah, man, hallelujah, my brother. You know me have a favor for ask you, youth.
What kind of favor that?
Me just kind of have a little financial issues, nothing too major. Just I wonder if you could have lent me a 2 million.
2 million? You know, so me not have them amount of money they do, brother. Most of the money when me make, me just have to put it back into the house.
Me hear you.
So I'm to the 500,000 me sent you 4 months ago.
Brother, if you don't want to give me, just say you don't want to give me, man. Simple thing.
Man, you, not like that. Omar, this is not far where I come from, brother. Don't talk them way, man. Cause you know it's not true. Tell you what me I go do. Me have 200,000 for me right now. Me go give you. You have to go find a way to make up the rest though, or you go wait till when me go back up to send it down.
200,000. That's all. This me youth.
Seriously, man? Me really don't have it, you know. And to tell you the truth, me still owe for material. It's a big sacrifice me really make right now to get that 200,000, you know.
It's all good, man. Me will take it.
And stop going to man, because you know say you're my brother from day one. Anyway me can help you, me I go help you, youth.
Weird, bastard. What brings you here, sir? That's why me have a work for you, you know. Well, you already know my rate. 200,000 per hit. Yeah, man, me have it right here for me. Good. Just give me the location and details.
Mama, me soon come back, you know. Me I go down to the restaurant go get some dinner for you. And no worry yourself, man. How soon done, you know, you soon can move out of here, so.
Good night, sir.
Yeah, good night. Who are you and how may I help you?
Me name Dashway, and me Dashway people be fun, boy. Me know say enough of no hate me right now and I call me friend killer. But me couldn't stand to see the man a build house and me can't build no house. How that fi go so? Me and him not come from the same place. Why feel my life better for me? No, I can't go so, man. If me can't make it, him nah make it either.